Más vale pájaro en mano que ciento volando. Más vale pájaro en mano que ciento volando. What does this mean? Do you know what this means? Más vale pájaro en mano que ciento volando. Okay, the literal meaning is a bird in hand is worth more than 100 flying around, or just flying, you know? What is this saying about? You probably know what this means. Más vale is like saying, it's better, or it's worth whatever comes next, right? So it's something that you say más vale. So it's better or it's worth. What? We're talking about a bird. Pájaro. Pájaro means bird in Spanish. En mano, that means in your hand or in hand. And in mano, hand. Remember, mano is feminine. Mano is feminine. La mano. Even though the last letter is the letter O, mano is feminine. La mano. Que means that or what, but in this situation, we're comparing. So in this situation means then, okay, this then. Ciento, some people say cien, so just like that. Cien, that means 100. I was gonna do this, but this is 10, not 100. But you know what I mean. Cien means 100, the number 100. But a lot of people also say ciento in this saying, like they say ciento or cien. And then you also have volando. Volando comes from volado. I'm missing an N there. Volando. Sorry about that. That was my mistake. Volando means flying. Okay. Volar means to fly. Volando means flying. Okay. So what does this mean? How can you use this? There is a similar English saying. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Okay, so this saying is similar to that English saying. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. So pretty much you're just saying it's better to have something, already there that you have already. Like it could be a job. It could be, like something that you already have. You already possess. You already enjoy of. Okay? Then a lot of different things that it's not certain if you're going to get, or if you're going to have, or that if you're going to accomplish. Okay? So that's what this saying is about. For example, I could say, no renuncies a tu trabajo. No renuncies a tu trabajo. Más vale pájaro en mano que ciento volando. Okay? I don't know why I missed the letter N. No renuncies a tu trabajo. Más vale pájaro en mano que ciento volando. So what does this mean? We know what this saying means, but what does no renuncies a tu trabajo mean? Okay, so this means, or that means, don't quit your job. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. So no renuncies means don't quit. Okay, don't quit. No renuncies. So this could be used if you're talking about jobs, if you're talking about goals that you have, dreams that you have. That phrase is really good for that. In this situation, we're talking about a job. A tu trabajo. No renuncies a also can be included in this phrase when you want to say don't quit. No renuncies a. And then you can say tu means your trabajo, job. Trabajo means work or job. Tu without the accent mark means your. Okay, this is your job. A tu trabajo. And the rest is más vale pájaro en mano que ciento volando. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Excellent. So this is another great saying that you can use if you want to tell someone, hey, just please focus on this. You have this already happening. So don't just forget about that. And it's better that you have something there already, like a job, than, trying to imagine other things or you can be daydreaming about other things, which is still good. If you want to start your own company, that's good, for example, but you have to plan everything out. You have to know what to do. But if you say, you know what, today I feel like quitting my job and I'm just going to I don't know, start a new company, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it. That is not wise. Just better to have a plan. It's better to have a plan. So this is what saying is about.